Today's tale is of two mesquite trees planted 2 years apart. There's the tall one on the left and the shorter one on the right. What do you think? Here's the surprise. This one right here was planted 5 years ago from a pot. And after 2 years he still wasn't doing very well. So I took a bunch of mesquite seeds and stuck them in the ground. And after they were all about 1 foot high, I pulled out most of them and kept that nice tall one, the tallest of all. And guess what? 3 years from seed is ever so much taller than 5 years from a pot. And the difference is when you grow them from seed, they're on their own roots. Their roots are not disturbed. They get established quickly. All in all, it seems to work well. So don't be afraid to try growing things from roots.